What can you expect from doing the IELTS exam? The IELTS exam is divided into 4 main sections. They have listening, reading, writing and speaking. This is the same whether you do the electronic version or the paper-based version. The first section in the IELTS exam is what is called the listening section. In the listening section, you will have 4 sections where you will listen to the audio and complete the questions at the same time. Each of the 4 sections gets more difficult as each section is passed. There are 10 questions in each section and a total of 40 questions in all. The listening exam takes approximately 40 minutes to complete, including the 10 minutes that you get to transfer your answers from the question paper to the answer paper. This is a little bit different in the electronic version because there is no need to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. The next section is the IELTS reading section. In the reading section, you will be given 3 passages, each passage containing 13 questions for the first and second passage and 14 questions for the third and final passage. So, like the listening exam, there are a total of 40 questions. In the reading exam, everything has to be completed within 60 minutes, which is given to all students. The third section is the writing section. In the IELTS writing section, you have to complete 2 written tasks. The first writing task, task 1, you have to complete an academic passage based on a diagram that you are given. In order to complete the first task, you have approximately 20 minutes to finish the task and you need to use a minimum of 150 words. In the second of the IELTS writing tasks, task 2, you have to complete an academic essay. This may be an advantage-disadvantage essay. It might be discussing both opinions and giving your own opinion as a conclusion. And in this part, you have to write a minimum of 250 words in 40 minutes. The final part of the IELTS exam is the speaking section. This is where you will sit face to face with an examiner whose job it is to ask the questions, manage the time and give you your score. In the IELTS speaking section, there are 3 parts. In the first part, which is approximately 4 to 5 minutes long, you will be given approximately 12 questions on daily topics. For example, if the topic is on colors, one of the questions you might get asked by the examiner is what is your favorite color? In the second part of the speaking section, you will be asked to give a presentation of between 1 and 2 minutes in length. The examiner will give you the topic that you are expected to discuss, and prior to starting your presentation, you will have 1 minute to take notes and get ready. The third and final part of the speaking exam is a discussion part. This is where the examiner will ask you approximately 6 questions on the main topic that you did your presentation in part 2. In total, the minimum amount is 11 minutes and the maximum amount is 14 minutes. And that includes all of the questions the examiner will ask as well as the preparation time you have. Once you've completed the speaking exam, that is the end of the IELTS exam. Good luck.